Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, follow, share, and let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be eating Japanese chips. They are garlic flavored and it's called Hato Chipple. And it looks like this. Actually, it's Super Hato Chipple. And if you saw my last video or one of my older ones, it's the actual grocery haul from the Japanese market. And these with the chips, this is what they look like. They are heart-shaped. But let's see how it is when we actually open the bag because, you know, things happen in the bag. Okay, let's open this. Oh my god. That was loud. Okay. So, half the bag is filled. And let's see if they really do look like hearts. So they're a little curly, I guess is what I would call them. But they are heart-shaped. But you could see it's a little bent. And let's try one. It's very good. Because it's a rice chip and not a potato chip, it's a little bit softer and flakier versus like straight up hard and crunchy. And they're not that spicy, but they are very garlicky. I will need to brush my teeth after eating this. And it's so hot, my hair is up and in a bun. So it looks much more like a heart when you look at it from the back versus the front when it's curled. So in my last snacking video, when I ate the Norishio chips, I taught you guys some Japanese words. So I figured I would do that again. Last time we learned that oyatsu meant snack, and oyatsu no jikan meant snack time. Jikan means time, so oyatsu and oyatsu no jikan. Heart in Japanese is just pronounced hato. This one is more like a heart because it's a little bit more flat and not as curly. I feel like I want to put two of them over my eyes so I could look like that heart-eyed emoji. Do you know what I mean? Here, let's do it. Okay, anyways. In the last video, I also taught you the word for dinner, which was bangohan. So I just ate bangohan, which is why I'm eating my snack now. So let's just do times of the day. So morning is asa, because I taught you guys last time asa gohan is breakfast. Morning is asa. Noon or the afternoon is hiru, which is why hiru gohan means lunch. And then at night, it's called yoru, night. But dinner time is actually bangohan. Bangohan. But nighttime is yoru. Oh no, this is not even a heart at all. It's so bent. Okay. Today in Japanese is kyo. Tomorrow is ashita. And then the day after tomorrow is asatte. So today, kyo. Tomorrow, ashita. And then the day after tomorrow is asatte. Not looking like a shape or a heart. It looks more like a flower. Now is ima in Japanese, and then later is atode. Now, ima, later, atode. Soon is sugu. Soon is sugu. And then, oh, last time when I ended the video, I said sayonara, which is bye, but then mata ne, which is what I said as well, is like see you again. So mata ne. Oh, this one is like a perfect heart. Look at that. And then the last word I'll teach you today is mata kondo. Mata means again, and kondo means next time. So mata kondo ne is kind of like see you again next time, okay? So I will end this video and say sayonara, mata kondo ne. Bye bye.